Now Vajrayana, like Buddha's teaching is, divided into three. Chikunjung Denbi Tekpa, Nang Katu Rinjigi Tekpa, Sangwa Wangju Tabgi Tekpa. Now, in Vajrayana, now what is Vipassana? The first outer Vipassana could be the understanding the pure perception, Taparamjam. Now, whatever we see the form outside, so here we see as a deity, either Guru Rinpoche, Chenrezi, or any deity that you are accustomed to. Any deity, there's no that this deity, that deity, it doesn't matter. It depends on your choice, which deity you are connected to. Suppose if I'm connected to Guru Rinpoche, I cannot say that, oh, Guru Rinpoche is the best in like that, because you may be like practicing with Avalokiteshvara or like with the Amitabha, so it's okay. It depends on how we are connected to the deity. So now, the interesting thing here, whatever we see the form outside is body of a deity. Whatever we hear, the sound, any sound within the space is considered as like a mantra. The mantra means like pure sound. And thoughts. Doesn't matter whether it's a good thought, compassionate thought, or like bad thought, the worst, one of the worst thought one can imagine. Doesn't matter. Best thought one can imagine. Doesn't matter. Any thought that is produced within the realm of this spacious, mind. So this is the mind of the deity, the wisdom mind. So if we are able to abide in this, now where is the problem here now? With this pure perception, every form, whether your enemy form or friend form, doesn't matter here now. Everything become a deity. So you will see as a deity. And whatever you hear, before if somebody praise you, wow, you are great, oh, you're so happy, I'm great, yes, I believe this. So like that we say, great, right? Somebody praising, you are doing good, you are wonderful, we like it, right? We are attached to that. Now, whatever sound comes, whether it's a good sound, whether it's a bad sound, it's a mantra for you. Doesn't matter now here. So once you have a confidence that any sound is a mantra, then this sound is not going to affect you anymore. If I say, oh, you are useless, you are a very bad person, you will hear, you are a bad person. That word you will hear with the confidence is a mantra. That shows you are actually, already in the three kayas here. And the thoughts, oh, he's thinking good. Wow, he thinks good about me always. Thank you. This guy thinks bad on me often. So this guy, I have to deal with. Not like that. Whatever thinking comes, good and bad doesn't matter. This is a primordial wisdom. Namto moshina chukur dolwa. So like that is little bit inner teaching. Like if you understand this, thought as a wisdom mind, then where is the problem now? Whatever you see as a deity. Whatever you hear as a mantra. And whatever you conceptualize, it's already primordial wisdom, mind. It's already the nature of mind. Then, wow, this will be the interesting moment for you. Seriously, there is no enemy, there's no someone who is doing good, there's no someone who is hurting you. There's no ugly, there's no handsome. Everybody is a deity. There's no difference. You are plunged into this kind of experience. Whatever you hear, just now we only want to hear something good. Seriously, if we continue this, hell is reserved for us, Samsara is reserved for us. So whatever we hear, so if it is a mantra, then where is there to bother? He told me good, he told me bad. This is the problem for us, right? Now, this is soft now. Sound you hear as a practitioner, sound you hear is a mantra now. Then you will enjoy if they say bad on you. Because for you, now, more they say bad, more your enhancement of your practice. Lamdu jetpa. Now taking as a part. The second level of Vipassana, Dzogchen. Before, we just practice or think that form is deity, sound is mantra, and mind is wisdom. But didn't know how it evolved. Now this manifestation outer, form as a deity, sound as a mantra, and mind as a wisdom, is actually no other than our own Tsadang Lungdang Tigle deity is outside. Actually, it's nothing other than my own Nadi Tsa. Nadi, Tsa channel. The manifestation of this. Then, whatever the sound, whatever the mantra, whatever the energy level it produces out. Oh, it is not other than my own prana, my lung. The manifestation of this lung. Good sound, bad sound, very shrill sound, very soothing sound. When singing a song, we cry. So soothing, wow, very good. Suddenly, somebody, shout, emotion changes. So this kind of thing happen all because of not able to control the prana. Then we know, oh, the sound that I hear outside is all because of the lung in Nuba, the cell, we say cell manifestation. Then we know, wow, whatever I, in the outer vipassana is connected to the inner. Tsadang lungdang tides. Tsa, the nadis have to practice all. We have to, before going to lung practice, we have to know all the tsa about that, especially there are some the friends who wanted to hear something about Tsalung also. So I will not talk about Tsalung here, but I will say how Tsalung is practiced. Not the Tsalung, going deep and giving the teaching, not like that. First and foremost, we have to understand we have these 72,000 nadis, like a pipeline, then chakra, different levels of chakra. Once we know this, then you know about Tsa. Then after knowing about Tsa, then you should know how to lung. Then you have to know how to, hold the breath. Then you have to practice. Don't go directly to Tumo practice. Again, before we just knowing how to hold the breath, we should know the different levels of breath and how the breathing has to be, channelized. Then we have to really practice on, holding the breath. So one day you will have some kind of experience of holding and you're able to hold the breath. Then you know about lung now. Now you know how to hold the breath. Then we can go to Tumo. So now, even if you practice Tumo, now you can have some result. Why we are not having result, Although I practice Tsalung, we say that although I practice Tsalung, I go there, I be in the, in the mountains, but nothing is happening, something is wrong. Why? You haven't practiced how to hold the breath firstly. Then, we have to practice the Tumo for a very long time. So when we practice then the Tigle. Then it comes to the Tigle practice. Now we should know the view for how it is practiced. Just going there, Tsalung, Tigle, Tum, okay, yogi exercise, this, that. Knowing just how to practice yogic exercise, just to jump this and that. The energetic person can jump from the 5-story also. But this is not a Tsalung practice. Now, outer appearance, sound, thinking comes from like our Tsalung and Tigle, these three. Now from where this Tsadang, Lungdang, Tigle comes now?